working with a model gives me the ability to see a huge amount of variety within, the same pose that a photograph wouldn't. Every time the model takes the pose, you're getting a slightly different version. And the goal ultimately is to choose the best or the most interesting or the most pertinent aspects.
A sculptor of international acclaim, David Simon's career has ranged from life-size portraits and figures to massive bronze statues, and holds private workshops abroad and in his Los Angeles studio.
So I'm going to begin probably by laying in some volume for the hands and then checking all of the relationships between the pelvis, the rib cage, the legs, the arms, the head, and continue to develop an idea of where I want to take the piece going forward.